Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. Today's cards has a lot of coloring involved. If you love coloring, then you will love these scene cards. I use my favorite things, Ski Suns, Greetings stamp set, and Purple Onion Designs Winter Trail background. As always, I'm going to color my image or images with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I really like coloring with my Zig markers because you don't have to use 4 or 3 markers to get the desired shading. I just use 2 markers to get uh, colors that I want on my images. I didn't color his t-shirt because I'm going to paper paste it, and as you can see here, I already went ahead and stamped the shirt on this pattern paper here, and that pattern paper is from Your Next Stamp Winter Knits 6x6 paper pad. And then I fussy cut it and then run my Memento black marker on the white edges and adhere it on the bear. So here is my colored image, and I'm just showing you the paper pad that I use for the paper piecing. This rubber stamp is from Purple Onion Designs called Winter Trail background, and this one is the ones that I'm going to use for my scene. I went ahead and stamped my background on 140-pound watercolor paper with Versafine Onyx black ink. And now I'm coloring the upper portion of the background, and then I'll color the rest of the background with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I'm going to speed through the coloring process, and I will be back when the coloring is done. Now that the coloring is done, we can now breathe. So you can inhale, exhale. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to die cut this panel with CC Designs Rectangles number 1. I also went ahead and fussy cut my bear off camera, and then we're just going to adhere him with liquid glue. I'm going to splatter some paint on this panel, and I'm using Bombay White India ink. So I put the ink on my acrylic block, and that's how I splatter the ink on my panel. For the sentiment, I'm using Hero Arts Holiday Cheer stamp set, and I'm using the sentiment Warm Winter Wishes. So I cut the that sentiment to have a straight line, and you can always put them back together when you use it again later. So I'm just inking it up with Versafine Onyx Black ink and stamp the sentiment on the lower part of the panel. And then we can adhere this panel on our, this one is not, it's a little bit smaller than A2 size because my panel is also smaller than A2 size panel. So I just cut a little bit of it and just fit the panel on the card base. And for the inside of the card, I just stamp the bear again and another sentiment from the same stamp set with Kaleidacolor tomato wine ink, and added some shimmer on the scarf and boots of the bear. And my cards are complete. I love how this one turned out. It's really cute, and I love seeing cards. So I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.